Welcome back to our channel, guys. This is a awareness video, guys. Big scamming going on, big scam things going on all over the country, guys. So be safe from yourself, guys. Okay, recently you know that my token this is from India. They rug pulled more than thousands of crores of money from Indian people, and right now they started another app like similar like this my token, and they started rug pulling from other countries, guys. Okay, so started scamming from other countries, so please be aware of this. Okay guys, this is a my token. This is a my token app, you know that. See here, this is a my token. This is for India plus 91. Okay, so if I'm entering my mobile number, okay, I already done, and OTP will come, so I can log in, guys. Okay, already invested, and they rug pulled my money. Rug pulled everyone money, and they went off. Okay, they escaped, guys. Okay, right now similar like my token, okay, I'm entering right now. Okay, this is my app. Okay, so I can't able to withdraw because they rug pulled the money. So right now similar like my token, they opened a new app, guys. Tokensets. See here, similar like Tokensets. This is the app logo, guys. Tokensets, similar like Tokensets, but this one is not available for India. See here, just now they rug pulled full money from India, and here plus 91 is not available. See here, plus 91 is not available here. You can check it. Indian, they rug pulled with another account, but with other countries they are playing with other app. See here, plus 91 is available, so Indian people can't know about this app, guys. Okay, so here they started rug pulling, started the scamming things in other countries. Okay, Indian people not available. Plus 91 is not available to register here. Okay, so plus 91 people can't able to register here. Plus 91 is not there. Okay, so Indian people can't able to register here, but they started scamming in other countries. See, plus 880, plus 81 plus. Please, these all country people, be aware of this app, guys, because they will start this app and they will run for a few 2 or 3 weeks, and they will fully rug pull your money. Just now this happened, my token. Just now, you all know that just now the my token happened. You all know that my money is, everything is there. We can't able to withdraw. See, the boat is running. My money is there, but I can't able to withdraw. Okay, so the same thing is happening with Tokensets in the name of Tokensets. So be aware of Tokensets. Don't invest your money in Tokensets. This is fully scam. Just 2 or 3 weeks they will give your profit. Okay, after that fully the rug pull and went off. Please, these country people, be aware of Tokensets. In this Tokensets app, don't invest your money. Okay, Tokensets, there is a genuine website is there, guys. Okay, this is genuine website. See here, Tokensets is genuine thing is there, but they started it in the name of genuine website. By Tokensets they are scamming. This is a genuine website, guys. Okay, but this is a true, this is the real thing. But don't trust this website, but don't trust that app, guys. Okay, this is genuine one, but they are cheating the people by the genuine website name. This is a Tokensets, so please aware of this one, guys. Okay, don't invest your money in the Tokensets, please. Okay, because a lot of people from these kind of countries, so see, lot of countries it is available. Lot of people are going to join this one, and they will rug pull surely. So please don't join. Just if anyone of them joined, then please withdraw your money immediately. Don't spend your money in this app, guys, please. I'll request you, because see here, my token app, everything that are rug pulled and went off, guys. Okay, so you won't get anything in this my token equal to Tokensets. Both are similar, same person, both are did this, guys. Okay, my token is developed for scam things in India, and Tokensets is developed for scam things in other countries. Okay, so my token equal to Tokensets, so please aware of this one. Okay, don't invest your money in this platform, so please aware of this one. Okay, it's a awareness video. Alert, be safe, save your money, please, guys. Don't invest not even one single rupee also. Don't invest your money. Be safe from these scammers, and invest your money in some good project, guys. Okay, so we'll update any other updates is there, means I'll update in our Telegram channel, guys. So don't invest your money. This is a fully scam things going on, so be aware of this. Okay, guys. Okay, I inform you any other updates about this app and all. So don't invest your money, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. If any update is there, I will share. Damn sure I will share with you guys. Okay, we'll see you in another video, guys. Thank you so much.